Hey everybody, it's Paige Martin with Paige Martin Books and Art with the fourth tutorial from the Black Women Portraits Coloring Book with Affirmations on Amazon. The media for this mixed media piece is charcoal, chalk, and colored pencils. It's called Superstar because we all are superstars. We are going to start with drawing a faint line down 2/3 of the face. The line is to help guide where the shadows fall on the face. And then we'll add the charcoal with a pencil, lighting one side and slightly darkening the other. We use a Q-tip to smooth the charcoal in evenly on the face and the chest area. A white chalk pencil will whiten the eyes and teeth. And later we will use it to lighten some areas in the face. I like to add a heavy pencil on the eyelashes to make them a little bit more dramatic. A few more strokes to the hair to fill in the white from the coloring sheet makes an impressive feather look. I found these portrait colored pencils in Hobby Lobby, so here we will use the colored portrait pencils, not for the face, but I just like the colors for the jacket. I love them. I just think they're really nice. She's looking real good, y'all. The pink from the jacket complements the pink in the glasses very well. And last, we will highlight the affirmation Superstar with a light purple metallic colored pencil. Yeah, I like that. All right, y'all, Superstar is done. Be sure to purchase the Black Women Portraits Coloring Book with Affirmations from the link below and let us see how your mixed media charcoal piece turns out. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Bye, y'all.